kind of hidden top that for the shower and the tub area. I really like that. That's just a great idea. That's a good floor plan. This is what the sink looks like. It's a cute sink. This is granite countertops, definitely, and it feels really substantial. And then you've got this huge mirror over here too, and the mirror, the mirror is very nice. You do have a medicine cabinet, and then you've got some cabinet space under here too. So this feels really good in here. I'm thinking this is for towels, so let's find out. Yep, a lot of space for towels. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shelves, so that's awesome. We do have, this is a very large walk-in, and it's 1, 2, 3 steps inside, so it's a nice size walk-in. There's all kinds of shelves here. You're not going to have any issues with storage in here. You really have a ton. I hope you're seeing all this. This is great. So lots of space in this closet. Check plus. That's a great closet. Okay, we're going to go into the other bedroom and check this out. And okay, so yeah, this feels light and bright in here too. Similar way, there's a king bed here, and there's the two. I'm not going to call them nightstands. I'm going to call them they're just much bigger than nightstands to me. So two of them over there easily fit, or let's say comfortably fit in this area. This is great. And then you do have beautiful windows. That really helps a lot. And then you've got a good amount of wall space here too. So this is really nice. In this bathroom, it's similar, but there's a little change, so we'll explore that in a minute. You do have also a great size 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shelves here, and that closes off, so I love that. Similar countertop and brown cabinet, so that's all good, and really attractive. I like it. Now in this bathroom, you do have a walk-in shower, so if you are roommates and one prefers walk-in shower more, you can have this. This does not have the tub, but it does have the walk-in shower with the glass, so that's cool. Okay, we walk into here, and let's see. I'm trying to find a light. And okay, so I'm sure there's a way to do it. I'm just not knowledgeable, but I'm looking and I'm seeing it's definitely walk-in. I can go about 3 feet. There's plenty of shelves in here too, so this is really good. This is a great amount of space in there, and just a great floor plan. Anything to add, Chase?
Well, I'd just like to point out the amount of storage, like I said, that you do have in here. So again, we do have the medicine cabinet at the underneath, but then you also have this massive linen closet
I was
here
talking
as well.
about that.
And
it's amazing.
So that's going to do a lot. Plus the walk-in closet combined, like I said, you might even be able to fit a dresser inside the closet there.
You really
with all
could.
the storage, you may not even need it. So.
You really could. That's really cool. Okay, awesome. So just to recap, we're going to walk back out here, and this is a very large area, and you can totally entertain in this area. You've got chair space, kitchen table space. You really this is a fun area waiting to happen. So can't wait for you to explore this. This is a pretty floor plan. I really like it. And this is the starting 2-bedroom. This is the minimum square feet. It goes just up from here. So and I've seen the price on this, and this is a very good price on this floor plan. Okay.